I'm going to show you how I turned my Ryobi orbital sander into a tumbler using stuff I had laying around. You'll need the sander, a bad battery, some kind of DC power supply, mine's 12 volt, 4 amps, some wood, some straps and Velcro, a multimeter, a drill, maybe some drill bits, screwdriver, strippers, dikes, soldering iron optional, some kind of container with a lid, some sand or kitty litter. But most importantly, Ryobi makes it really hard to take apart their batteries, so you'll want a TH10 security bit if you don't want to have to drill the screws out. You can find these kits pretty cheap on Amazon. Take all the screws out of the battery and open it up. Cut the black, red, and blue leads off at the base of the white terminal tower thing. Shove that thing back in there and replace the screw up on top. Wire red to positive and black to the negative of your power supply. The blue wire sucks, don't use it. After testing, I soldered my connections, but you can connect your wires however you want. It's your life. Drill a hole in the bottom half of the battery shell, stick the wire through, connect the leads however you're going to do it, and put the bottom half of the battery shell back on. You'll now need to figure out a way to keep your sander upright. I used a couple 2x4s mounted on an old bar stool, but I'm sure you can figure something out. Just make sure the battery is taped in or strapped in because it'll want to vibrate out. Next, get your piece of wood and screw your container onto it. Then glue or staple the Velcro to the underside of the wood, or just put the Velcro right onto your container, whatever you want. Next, fill up your container with some media. Not like this. Put in some rusty parts. Wait 8 hours. Not bad. These parts are from an 80-year-old electric motor that's been sitting outside, so they're clean enough for what I'm doing. I might try to use some actual steel or ceramic media next time. 6 out of 10. Might tumble again.